With over 300 million active customer accounts and billions of monthly visits, Amazon reigns as the undisputed king of e-commerce. Yet, amidst this vast digital marketplace, how effectively are you reaching your target audience? Are your products standing out amidst the sea of competitors? Hey everyone, this is Karanjot and welcome back to our channel. Now these questions underscore the importance of leveraging Amazon advertising to its fullest extent. But before we delve deeper, did you know that Amazon's advertising revenue surpassed $39 billion in 2023, marking a significant increase from previous years? These staggering figures highlight the immense opportunity that awaits those who harness the power of Amazon's advertising management services. Let's begin by understanding what is Amazon advertising or Amazon PPC. Amazon advertising is a pay-per-click advertising platform that allows sellers to promote their product directly within the Amazon marketplace. Now these ads appears in various locations across the site, including search results, product detail pages, and even on external sites through Amazon's advertising network. There are several types of Amazon ads, including sponsored ads, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Now each type serves a unique purpose and can be tailored to meet specific marketing objectives such as increasing product visibility, driving sales, or promoting brand awareness. Now let's discuss how employing professional Amazon advertising management services can be a growth booster for your business. While Amazon advertising offers immense potential, navigating its complexities can be overwhelming for sellers. This is where professional Amazon advertising management services come into play. Here are some key benefits of hiring Amazon PPC management services. Number one is expertise and experience. Now professional management services bring a wealth of expertise and experience to the table. They understand the nuances of Amazon's advertising platform, staying updated on the latest trends and best practices to deliver optimal results for their clients. Number two is strategic guidance. Now, crafting an effective advertising strategy requires careful planning and execution. Professional PPC management services work closely with sellers to develop tailored strategies that align with their business goals and target audience. Number three is optimized campaigns. Managing Amazon advertising campaigns involves continuous monitoring and optimization, from keyword selection to bid management. Professionals leverage data-driven insights to optimize campaigns for maximum performance. Number four is improved ROI. By optimizing campaigns and targeting the right audience, professional management services help sellers achieve a higher rate on investment from their advertising spend. This translates to increased sales and profitability. Number fifth is time and resource saving. Now, managing Amazon advertising campaigns can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. By outsourcing this task to professional, sellers can focus on other aspects of their businesses, confident that their advertising efforts are in good hands. Now, let's discuss how can you choose the right Amazon advertising management partner. Number one is look for a company with proven track record of success in managing Amazon advertising campaigns for clients in your industry. Number two is determine what services are included in the provider's offering, such as campaign setup, keyword research, ad creative development, and ongoing optimization. Number three is choose a service provider that values transparency and maintains open lines of communication throughout the engagement. Number four is understand how the provider's pricing structure works, whether it's based on a percentage of ad spend, a flat fee, or another model. Number fifth is ensure that the provider offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities, allowing you to track the performance of your campaigns and measure ROI effectively. As we draw the curtains, it's evident that Amazon advertising management services offer a strategic advantage for sellers seeking to thrive in the competitive landscape of e-commerce. Partnering with professionals who possess expertise and experience in navigating Amazon's advertising ecosystem can lead to higher returns on ad spend, increased visibility, and ultimately greater sales. As a leading Amazon PPC management service provider, Softtrix stands ready to assist businesses in unlocking the full potential of their Amazon advertising campaigns. At Softtrix, we pride ourselves on delivering tailored strategies, optimized campaigns, and measurable results for a client. Don't just take our word for it. Take a look at our case studies to see the tangible impact of our services on businesses like yours. If you are ready to elevate your Amazon advertising game and drive tangible results, don't hesitate to get in touch with our Amazon advertising expert on WhatsApp or visit our website for more information. Hope you've enjoyed the insight. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit the subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.